Well, good morning everybody, and welcome to another edition of Disasters in the Home Community on this Sunday, the 22nd of September 2013. Well, this morning I want to talk rot. I want to talk rot with you. Now, rot in the home can be one of the most nasty causes of damage that you can suffer. And over the last few years, I've come across many incidents of rot which has caused whole properties to be completely stripped out. The owners of properties have had to move out, and it's been completely devastating for them. So, what causes rot, and is it covered under an insurance policy? Well, what causes rot? I'm not an expert on the technicalities, but I do know that rot requires a source of moisture, it requires dark, damp, humid conditions, and it requires a source of fuel or food for the rot spores to develop and grow, and that is typically in timber and the like. So we're talking wood rot. Now, because rot happens over a period of time, insurance policies will specifically exclude damage caused by rot. But, and there is a but, there are ways to deal with rot and to ensure that you can get them covered if you can demonstrate there has been a leak from fixed water pipes, for example, and that you had no idea this was going on. So it could be a leak under a floorboard, it could be leak dripping away under a bath panel, for example, and you had no idea. If you can demonstrate that you had acted reasonably, that you had no way of knowing that there was a leak, then there is a possibility that you can get the claim covered. Insurers don't like paying for these sort of claims because they consider it to be wear and tear, or what they otherwise call gradually operating causes. So if you have damage caused by rot, it's well worth getting specific specialist advice from a loss assessor or somebody like myself before you start pursuing your claim with your insurance company, because they are very expensive claims to deal with. They're very technical, and insurance companies don't like dealing with them. So there's a way to deal and present your claim that stands you in a much better chance of getting the claim dealt with. If you have any experience of damage to your property caused by rot, or insurance claims where rot has been caused, please post your experiences here on the blog, and we'd be delighted to share it and give you some advice if that's what you require. So, talking rot this week. Maybe next week we'll talk a bit more sense. I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side next Sunday. Have a great week. Take care. Bye bye.